Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Gio. I want to give information about NMC document. University of Georgia properly fulfills all requirements based on NMC document. Before NMC document, University of Georgia had the same British education system with American standards. And our program, medical doctor program, it's only for 6 years. So in our university, you study medical doctor program only in English and only for 6 years. And with these 6 years from our university, you are receiving minimum 12 months internship certificate and minimum 55 undergo subject learning certificate. And in final degree, everything is mentioned there. Our professors teach all subjects in English. All exams, all midterms, all hospital work, all hospital skills and practice, you will learn only in English language. And final degree, what you will receive from University of Georgia, it is only in English. And there will be mentioned minimum 12 months internship certificate. There will be also mentioned minimum 55 months undergo subject learning system. And also students who are willing and who are from India and willing to go back to India, they will receive final medical degree attested by professional regulatory body of Georgia, the Ministry of Education. We will submit your final degree and it will be attested by professional regulatory body of Georgia, so that you can use based on NMC document in India. Coming to final English degree, it is accredited by USA, by UK, by Canada, by Australia, Germany, New Zealand and European countries. And students also can join, they study and they can continue their medical study in that countries. Coming to study program, it is equal as the American USML steps. So our professors and dean's office prepares students directly for USML step. All students does practical hours and hospital working hours from third year. In one batch we have maximum 20 or maximum 25 students, and even in hospital this batch we divide by two groups. So in one group at hospital there will be 10 to 12 students, because this is better and good for our students to easily adjust hospital and easily and better learn the skills and receive practice. And from third year, all students start working in our hospitals. And as you know, our University of Georgia has 16 attached hospitals and one biggest international hospital, where you will get needful skills and needful practice. And from third year, you start your internship program in our universities. And your internship program and undergo minimum 55 subject undergo practice, you are receiving in the same university at the same time. And in conclusion, I want to tell that from University of Georgia establishment, we have the same British educational system with American standards, and University of Georgia properly fulfills all requirements based on NMC document. Coming to hostel things, coming to TRC things and other things, resource are managing that things properly and smoothly. Thanks for your interest, thanks for your time, and I wish you all success.